how to repurpose audio content. So for audio content, it's a little bit harder, but I did find a way that I thought was pretty cool. It's called an audiogram. So basically, it will take an audio and it will create a video. So you will see, like, for example, the speaker there, a picture, and you will see the waveform kind of like blah, blah, blah. And then you can add like an image or two, and it creates a little video with the audio. And with that video, then you can publish to every platform, namely like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. So that will reach like and Facebook. Those are the four biggest. And that would be a way to repurpose an audio. Another way would be to do a transcript of the audio, and now you have a text. And I am using ChatGPT to help me with my transcript all the time. And it's very cool because I'm like, this is my transcript. I don't want you to create words. I just want you to correct the transcript and then create a bunch of different quotes with it. Now you can put it on an image. You can send it on Twitter. You can do many things. So if you use your audio to extract the transcript, then you will have text. And with text, you can then send it to everything that have text. Like, I mean, email marketing is text. And social media, like a Facebook post, a Twitter post, most of them have text. So that's another way for you to repurpose your audio.